Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So we're going to have a little bit of a chat and I'm going to do my makeup because why not? Yes, we are on the floor of my bedroom just because I really like doing my makeup here. Now that I don't have a rail behind me, it looks a little bit neater. It's funny because I feel like I have just decided to ignore that my carpet is ugly and grey, but here you can really see that these two tones don't work. But at some point, maybe the end of next year, we might get our carpet changed, and I still need to get handles for our Pax wardrobe. But the issue is I don't know what to get. I'm really tempted by the Matilda Gold ones, but they are so expensive. I'm gonna have to spend like £100 just on doorknobs, and then also like they do these little beautiful back plates, which is why I'm really tempted. It is cold today. I'm sure it's probably cold where you are too. I know it's the time of the year for it to be cold, but I really don't like the cold. And I mean, I actually don't necessarily think I hate the cold. It's just that I have things like chilblains. Can you see how bad this chilblain is? Actually, they're really not bad at the moment, but earlier this week, I think it was on Mondays, it's Thursday today, on Monday, I cried. My chilblains were so bad, which sounds so incredibly dramatic, but it's so painful. It feels like your hands are going to explode because they're like swollen, they're itchy as well, and you can't scratch them because that makes it worse. Oh, it was so bad. I had to take a painkiller in the end. And also the skin on my face is so dry that I actually don't know what to do about it. So if anyone has any recommendations on like the best products to use, because at the moment I'm just having to like really layer up products, but I'm finding that sometimes they don't work that well together and I get pilling, which is so annoying. I'm gonna put on this sun cream. I actually don't know if I necessarily need it because it is quite late. I'm filming this video at 2 o'clock, which I guess like in the grand scheme of things it's not late, but it's late for sunscreen because it's going to be dark in about an hour and a half. Honestly, I find that this sunscreen, it's the La Roche-Posay Hy-Lu B5, quite hydrating, or at least it gives my skin a bit of a sheen, and that's what I need. But yeah, how are you enjoying the cold? Are you someone that enjoys the cold? I know there's a lot of people that do. If I was pushed, I probably would say I'm a summer person, but I also quite enjoy winter because I enjoy the Christmas period and I enjoy the coziness as well. I don't like being cold. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with my makeup. We are going to the theatre today, which is a bit of a nice treat, I think. We're actually gonna go do a bit of shopping because Michael wants to go to Uniqlo. We are going to get some dinner somewhere. I'm actually not sure where. I would ask some recommendations, but I think I am filming this on the day that we're going to the theatre, but I think I probably would have already had dinner by the time this video goes live because the theatre it starts quite early. I'm gonna go for this palette. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Starry Eyes Hypnotize palette. I'm gonna go for this shade here. It's basically the enhanced shade in the Dream Glow. I've been using this palette a fair amount actually because I've been enjoying these colours are a little bit cooler. As you may know, I've been trying to go for slightly cooler colours, so this works quite well. I was gonna put on all my jewellery, but I forgot. I just went to get my nails done, honestly, purposefully for this video, because I knew that I was gonna have close-ups, and my nails were so bad. I've kind of got out of the routine of going to get my nails done, just because I just find it so time-consuming. Like if I don't go around my house, I have to find the time to get there, and if I do go around my house, I have to go to like a stereotypical nail salon that you have to wait at. It's just so time-consuming. We have one round here, which is excellent. They really are good. One of the last times I went, someone was saying that they waited 4 hours the day before to get their nails done because they only take walk-ins, and she only managed to get her hands done and she had to go back the next morning, which was the day I was there, to get her toes done. Like, that is insane, in my opinion. It is a very affordable place. I think it's like £20 for gel, and they are excellent. But a 4-hour wait is just too much. I've never had to wait 4 hours, but even 2 hours, it's just too much. Like it really eats into my day. And I don't like to go on weekends because they're busier, and then it eats into my work day too much. And because not only do I have to queue to get my nails done, it then takes about an hour to get them done. Maybe 45 minutes. They're usually quite quick there because they are kind of trying to turn people over as quickly as possible. But it's too much. I have to find somewhere else. This lady was good, but it was in her house, and I'm just worried that she doesn't have enough shades, but we'll see. I'm gonna go for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, Hollywood Flawless Filter. I need to add some sort of glow back into my face, and I feel like that's one that does it quite well. I'm actually not sure what I'm going to wear to the theatre today either. I know there's kind of like two camps, like people that dress up and people that don't. I really need to be warm today, so I don't think I'm going to dress up too much, but I'll probably get changed out of this kind of more sweatery jumper into a different one. But I have got leggings under my jeans, and I have a thermal under my jumper, and I don't think I'll be taking those off because some days it's just necessary, and today is one of those days. It's cold. I'm super unhappy with the texture of my skin at the moment. It's just so angry. I even have loads and loads of congestion here, which doesn't usually happen. I think it's a mixture of my skin being really dehydrated and also me kind of panicking and like trying to shove things onto my skin. Maybe I need to chill, we'll see. Foundation, tempted to go to Kosas because I do find that this one is quite glowy, and because my skin is not glowy, that's probably the best option. Also something like the Borean BB cream is quite a good one, but I think I'm gonna go for Kosas. It might also be slightly dark, but I think we can make it work. I also wanted to film this video because a few of you have asked for more beauty videos, which I will keep in mind, and definitely going into next year it's something I want to keep doing. I think because my colour analysis video is done quite well, I ended up kind of moving into style videos that were quite relevant to my colour analysis. That said, I do think this is going to be my last sit down video and kind of more thought out video of the year. I'm going to, because it's December from tomorrow, I think I'm going to just upload vlogs in December. I'm not doing Vlogmas, nothing like that, but I think there's so much content going on to YouTube in December that I want slightly like easier videos that I can upload, and I think people just want vlogs in December. I know I personally do, so that's what I'm going to upload. I'm going to aim to upload once a week, same as I've been doing most of the year. But that said, you might occasionally get two, but I'm going to at least push for the one. Do let me know if there's something in particular you'd like to see in my vlogs though. I really want to keep doing kind of daily vlogs going into next year, and I feel like it's a good way to practice. And I will be still posting beauty and fashion over on my Instagram, so I will leave that linked down below. Everything's kind of sitting on my skin and I need to kind of blend it in a bit better, so I'm gonna go wet this. So I'm gonna go wet this. Okay, that is okay. Like I said, my skin is bad today, so I'm not expecting my makeup to be incredible. I'm gonna go for some Sculpted by Amy Brighten Up Under Eye Liquid Concealer. Have you got your Christmas tree up yet? I really want to put mine up this weekend, but I'm quite busy, annoyingly, because I feel like it's so time consuming to put up a Christmas tree. You need to, because I'm putting up a real one. I'm actually putting up two, because we put one around the front of the house and the one in the kitchen as well. When I get a real Christmas tree, I really like to have it in the garden for a few hours in a pot of water, so it really soaks up the water after I've cut off a little bit off the end, and then I like to bring it in and get it into its stand and let it kind of settle before I start to decorate it. So really that takes a whole day to do those two steps, and so then I can only decorate the day after. So I just find it quite time consuming, and it gets so dark so early nowadays. I just find it very tricky to kind of work out when I go get my tree and when I decorate it, because obviously I probably do want to film it. Blush, I'm going to go for my Clinique Chubby Stick in #1. I just feel like this is a super trusty, great blusher, and I want to go heavy-ish on the blush. Bit of life, because my skin has no life to it at the moment. Eyebrows, I am going to use my Hourglass, the brow gel. There's not much left in this. I'm really trying to finish up so many products before the new year, and I actually think I've been doing a decent job at that. I will film an empties at the start of next year, just because I feel like that's a great way to start the year, and it also means I get to throw away rubbish that I've been gathering for the last 6 months. I love this brow pencil. It's probably my favourite. It's the Hourglass Arch Brow Pencil. It's just so incredibly thin. Nothing too harsh. Well, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this navy colour into my lash line. As much as I love a winged eyeliner, I can't do it at the moment because my eyes water so much in the cold. Okay, I'm gonna do liner. I'm just gonna take a pencil and line my top lash line, and then also my mascara, which is the MAC Stacks. I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back. I might do another coat of mascara after, I'm not sure. But I'm just gonna quickly line my lips. Not with that because it's blunt. Let's go for Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. This is also quite blunt, but let's just go for it. I'm yet to find a good cool toned lipstick that I enjoy. So if anyone has any recommendations, please let me know. This is Mare, which honestly I feel like doesn't quite go with this eye. I'm gonna go over it with Grace by Bare Minerals. And I might powder a little bit later, but for now I think this will probably do. Let's just do a bit more mascara because I do love mascara. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just kind of like an everyday makeup. I'm gonna curl my hair now, edit this video and upload it, and then I'm gonna get changed to go to theatre. But thank you so much for watching. Do let me know what you'd like to see next. I know this was quite a quick video, probably not the most informative, but I just wanted to share products I really love with you, do a makeup video which I haven't done in a little while, and also tell you that I won't be doing sit down videos in December. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know what you'd like to see in my vlogs. I'll link down below my Instagram and TikTok for those of you that are still interested in fashion and beauty content during December. That's not to say that you won't get any in my vlogs, but if that's what you're more interested in, then I've linked that down below. And I will see you next week for a vlog. Hopefully quite a Christmassy vlog, because I feel like I'm not quite in the Christmas mood yet, but hopefully I can get there quite soon. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.